Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Word here is insular.
Insular.
Sular. Insular. Adjective. It means interested only in your own country or group and not willing to accept different of foreign ideas. Related word insularity. Adjective. Interested only in your own country or group and not willing to accept different or foreign ideas or people. Examples of insular. Within this context, insular biogeography was and still is the paradigm in evolutionary and ecology research, at least in a micro perspective approach. We expect that within host parasite density should not affect parasite fecundity in insular populations, contrary to mainland populations. Isolation produces a large number of strong insular variants, which in some cases develop into separate serotypes. We cannot formally separate the effects of density and other features of insular populations. The paucity of the modern-day insular herpetophanes is reflected in the fossil reptile diversity of the solution cavity fields found on the same islands. The timidity is expressed in small costs, small theatrical ambition, and an insular small-mindedness. In many respects, this was a negative, vulgar, insular, and xenophobic political culture. They therefore had no desire to see the issue assume a prominent place in insular politics. The insular nature of the fisher herpetofauna is very significant in understanding the reptile's ecology and evolution. Nested subsets and the structure of insular mammalian faunas and archipelagos. The close ties that often characterize insular communities also suggest another reason for the proliferation of variation and change in such communities. Branch campus students tend to have a much more isolated and insular college experience. That the geographical context of insular urban studies will have to be widened is also clear. Circuitry and functional aspects of the insular lobe in primates, including humans. We believe that this insular approach now needs to be challenged. Circuitry and functional aspects of the insular lobe in primates, including humans. That the geographical context of insular studies will have to be widened.